And we're taking a step away from each other. Lady goes backward with the left leg, man with the right leg, away. Now the lady is taking 2 steps forward, starting with the left leg, right leg, rotate counterclockwise to end up next to the partner. Keep holding with both your hands. Let's do it one more time. Away from each other. 1, 2, connect your feet, rotate to end up with your left side to the man. Now let's focus on the man's part. Step away from the lady with the right leg. Take a step forward with the left leg, raise your left hand, lead it above the lady. Lower the hand after the lady's rotation. Important thing for the man is to end up with the body weight on the left leg. The lady is standing on her left leg as well. And during the next part, we're going into the dip. The lady is going to take a step backward. Bend your knees first. Transfer the body weight onto the right leg for the lady. Same as before, remember about keeping your hips high, bending the knee, looking at your partner and tilting your upper body backward. The man is taking the step to the side, reaching with the right leg and transferring the body weight onto the right leg exactly at the same time as the lady is taking the step backward. First, bend the knee of the left leg, transfer the body weight. Remember to keep the right knee bent as well, and then tilt your upper body to the right. Push off the right leg, end up on the left leg to get out of the pose. Connect your feet, but stay on the left leg with your body weight. You can take your time in this pose. Let's count this. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. As you can see, you got enough time to do it slowly and fluently. Remember that the man is not supposed to lean over the lady during the pose. You're just tilting to the right. But make sure to first transfer the body weight, keeping your back straight, and only then tilt to the side.